So here is another question. There are two equations which is given by 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2 with x not equals to 0 and y not equals to 0. We have to solve it with cross multiplication method. Now we have come across these kind of questions while solving linear equations through substitution and elimination method. So first we'll write the equations in their present format. So here we have 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 13 and 5 by x minus 4 by y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so here we have to make some changes here. So here we'll make some changes, which is 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. These two changes will make in this equation to convert it into standard format. So when we make these changes, the equations they change as 2u plus 3v is equal to 13 and 5u minus 4v is equal to minus 2. These are the two equations. So here instead of x and y we have u and v, two additional variables which we have substituted for 1 by x and 1 by y. So if we compare it with the standard format, here we'll write it in terms of u and v, the linear equation into variables in terms of u and v. So a1u plus b1v plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2u plus b2v plus c2 is equal to 0. So here it is 2u plus 3v minus 13 is equal to 0. Here it is 5u minus 4v plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have here here a1 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to minus 13. Similarly here a2 is equal to 5, b2 is equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to 2. Okay, so here we'll draw the cross multiplication diagram in this way. So same, the pattern will remain the same, just instead of x, y and 1 we'll substitute u, v and 1. So first on the left hand side the column will be b1, b2, so b1 is 3, then minus 4, 3 and 3 and minus 4, then c1 c2 which is minus 13 and 2, then a1 a2 which is 2 and 5, and then again b1 b2 which is 3 and -4. So here it will be, instead of x it will be u, here it will be v, and here it will be 1. So cross multiplication, so here it will be u by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So b1 c2 is 3 into 2, that is 6. b2 c1 minus 4 into minus 13, it will be plus 52. So 6 minus 52, that is equal to v by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. So minus 13 into 5, which is equal to minus 65, minus 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. So minus 65 minus 4, and then 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So 2 into 4, which is equal to minus 8, minus 5 into 3, so minus 15. So that implies u by minus 46 is equal to v by minus 69 is equal to 1 by minus 23. So here that implies u is equal to minus 46 by minus 23, which is equal to 2, and v is equal to minus 69 by minus 23 is equal to 3. So u is equal to 2 and v is equal to 3. Now we have to find the values of x and y. So u is equal to 1 by x, v is equal to 1 by y, so x is equal to 1 by u and y is equal to 1 by v. So here x is equal to 1 by u, which is equal to 1 by 2, and y is equal to 1 by v, which is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the solution. Okay, so here first we substituted the values of u and v, in place of 1 by x and 1 by y, to convert it into standard format, in this format, so that it becomes easy to apply the cross multiplication method. And then we got the values of u and v, and then we substituted them for the original values, that is 1 by x, 1 by y, to get the values of x and y. Okay. So here is another question. There are two equations which are given by 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7, and 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17, with x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0. We have to solve for x and y using cross multiplication method. So first we'll write the equations. So we have 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 7, and 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 17. Now we have to make substitutions, that is 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v, to convert these equations into the standard format. So the modified equations are u plus v is equal to 7 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 17. Okay, we have this. Now if we compare it to the linear equations in two variables, that format, here a1u plus b1v plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2u plus b2v plus c2 equals to 0. Instead of x and y, we have u and v through these substitutions, because x was in the denominator in reciprocal format. So here again we'll make some changes. So here we'll write u plus v minus 7 is equal to 0 and 2u plus 3v minus 17 is equal to 0. Now the values of the coefficients are a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 1, c1 is equal to minus 7, a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to 3, c2 is equal to minus 17. So we'll write it in standard format, the cross multiplication diagram. So the format will be the same, just in place of x, y and 1 we'll write u, v and 1. So first b1, b2, so 1 and 3, then c1, c2 which is minus 7, minus 17, then a1, a2 which is 1 and 2, and again b1, b2 which is 1 and 3. So here it will be under u, this cross multiplication, this will be under v, and this will be under 1. So here it is u by b1 c2 minus b2 c1. So 1 into minus 17, minus 3 into minus 7. So minus 21. So it is minus 17 plus 21. It is equal to v by minus 7 into 2. So it is c1a2 minus c2a1. So minus 7 into 2 which is equal to minus 14 minus 17 into 1. So minus 14 minus 17. So it is minus 14 plus 17 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So here it is 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2, 3 minus 2. That implies u by 4 is equal to v by 3 is equal to 1. That implies u is equal to 4 and v is equal to 3. Now we have made some substitutions. So u is equal to 1 by x, that implies x is equal to 1 by u, which is equal to 1 by 4. Y is 1 by v because v is 1 by y, so y is equal to 1 by v, which is equal to 1 by 3. So we have x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the solution of the given set of linear equations into variables using cross multiplication method. Okay.